Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling. Always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for supporting me and your love on my videos. I want to share most decent pattern handmade design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing hand embroidery designs. So viewers, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. Handmade embroidery knit designs make your best dress ideas with handworks. It's the sense of creation themed up with making something beautiful with your own hand that makes embroidery such a beautiful craft. Most of the pattern below use simple beginner friendly stitches like the single handmade stitches. I hope you enjoy this collection of handmade embroidery patterns. If you like to crochet handmade embroidery pattern, check out the embroidery handmade designs. This is a pattern for a beautifully designed this amazing collection for you. If you want more ideas and more updated decent patterns. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button.